I'm Dan, and this is my 1971 HG Belmont ute. So a little bit about the ute. I bought it about 6 years ago from Narrabri, New South Wales. When I bought it, it was completely stock, had a 186 in it, 3 on the tree, and a standard rear diff. Basically, the idea for the ute was to put an LS1, big gearbox, big diff, without touching the body. But when I got it home, found a lot more rust in it, and basically the build then blew out. So it took about 5 years to build. Yeah, and it's what you see today. So the engine is a built LS1. I built it myself. It's got custom grind cam, LS7 lifters, LS2 lifter guides, strength and push rods, ARP head studs, genuine steel head gaskets, Rosso oil pump, Measy water pump. It's got Rollmaster timing chain. I converted to carby. I know a lot of you guys hate carbies, but for me, easy power. I don't drive it every day. It made healthy power. I use the, and then behind that is a 9-inch, customised 9-inch diff with 411s, true track centre, 31 spline axles, and HQ drum brakes on the back. So this is the interior. So basically I wanted to keep it all stock to go with the sleeper look. So basically I just got the seat redone, all the hood lining redone. Basically got the dash, original dash modified, so it's all fiberglassed. Made it look like a GTS dash, so we got some Autometer Cruiser Series gauges, which look really cool. All the wiring's all hidden. Can't go without a Bluetooth radio. And yeah, basically just kept it all original. Redid the dash mat, and yeah, just wanted to keep it all looking good and original. The only difference is the retractable seatbelts and the active seatbelt. So once the car was all finished, and I'd put it all together, and basically just double checked everything, made sure everything's running good. We took it down to Andrew's High Tech to Kai to put a tune through it, and he worked his magic as usual. Yeah, the ute made 410 horsepower at the hubs, 700 Nm torque.